everyone. Thanks for your interest about my study factors affecting student achievement on mathematics and Portuguese.
The raw data is available online at UCI Machine Learning Repository. The original paper is published at the conference in 2008. The authors are interested in using data mining method to predict secondary school student performance. I'm interested in screening the influence factors related with school student performance and build log linear model to explain the effect of these factors. My question is, what are the factors that affect student performance on mathematics and Portuguese? What's the difference between the factors affecting mathematics and Portuguese? What should the school management and the policymaker do to improve the student performance? What should parents do to help students improve grades? And what are the effects of the socio-economic origins on students' achievement?
The data is collected in 2005 to 2006 school year from two public schools. There are two different types of data. One is school report, such as the three-period grade, the number of passed class failed, number of school absence. And the second source of the data is questionnaires, includes some demographic, social, emotional, school-related questions. The questionnaires was reviewed by school professionals and tested on a small group of students before distribute to the students in the two public schools. The final version of the questionnaires contain 37 questions. A total of 788 students answered the questions, and over 100 answers were discussed due to lack of identification details. The data was finally integrated into two datasets related to core course, mathematics and Portuguese. I don't quite understand why there are only about 395 samples from mathematics, but over 600 records from Portuguese. It looks like the student selected the number of students select the course are different. And also due to the processing stage, some features were discussed due to the lack of discriminative value, such as the income. Few respondents answered about their family income, and most of students live with their parents and have personal computer at home. So, so finally, there are 32 attributors were included in the analysis. Here's the variables related with the students. The target is G3, the final grade. This is a numerical variable. It's categorized in 5 categories, 1 to 5, from excellent to bad. And the demographic attributes such as sex, age, address, health status, social economic origins, father's job, mother's job, parents' education, parents' cohabitating status, family support, family size, such that, and school-related factors, life student study style, such as the first period grade, the second period grade, home to school travel time, study time, the motivation to go to higher education, the number of past class failed, the school absence, and also there are a few attributes about social emotional status, such as free time after school, family relationships, going out with friends. Interestingly, in Portugal, the teenagers are allowed to drink alcohol beverages. So the workday alcohol consumption and the weekend alcohol consumption are included as the social emotional status. And most of these attributors are binary variable, such as yes or no, and nominal data or numeric data from 1 to 5, the lower level to the high level. So first, since it's ordinal data, I'm interested to test if each individual factors are related with the final grade. I use CMH statistics test. So there are 15 common factors related with mathematics and Portugal's. Interestingly, there's one more factors, age, related with mathematics. And there are more factors related with Portugal, such as parents' job, the reason to choose the school, free time, number of school absence, actual activities, health status. So if we can expect some association between these factors, such as parents' education, the father's education, the mother's education, there may be related. These two variables may be dependent variables. So agreement test on some of the variables, such as parent education, first and second grade, period grade, alcohol consumption between workday and weekend. So we can see from the simple kappa value, there are some associations agreement. There are some agreement between these variables, such as the first period grade with the second period grade, and also instead of pairwise test the agreement with the variables, I run a Berman correlation between all the variables related with mathematics. So from the correlation matrix, we can see a lot of variables are correlated. There are high correlation between these variables. To screen the variables um, with, with the final grade, try the factor variable reduction technique provided by SAS proc variable cluster. Variable cluster. This is a hierarchical cluster of the explanatory variables related with the grade of mathematics. So finally, there are 5 clusters. The variables can be can be grouped in 5 clusters, such as the first cluster is the school-related factors. The second one is kind of demographic data. The third one is the lifestyle and the social emotional status. The fourth one is kind of family related factors can be category to social origin, social economic origins. And the fifth one is student related factors like such as study time, the motivation to higher education, and the actual educational support. Then I built the log linear model on the final grade of mathematics. And for each subset, the, I highlight the final screened models. For example, in the subset 1, I test the correlation between the number of failures, first period grade, second period grade with the final grade. Okay, So the completed, for each data subset, the complete independent model are tested. Homogeneous model are also included. So the final model is the homogeneous model of grade 1 to 3 is independent with failures. Here I list the degree of freedom, the variance, p-value, and the value was the value was degree of freedom. Please pay attention. The 0.5 is added to each count of combination to address the sampling zeros. Similarly, apply the hierarchical cluster to the factors related with Portugal's. The factor related with Portugal's is more complicated than that when these factors related with mathematics, such as we can identify some small groups, the lifestyle such as a free time after school, going out with student, alcohol consumption. Also, we can see some correlation between the school activities, actual education support, weekly study time, wants to go to take higher education. So the conclusion is many factors contribute to the student's academic success at secondary school in Portugal. There are many factors affecting Portugal's than mathematics. These factors including the economic origins, social emotional status, and school-related factors. The parents' education affects students' performance on both mathematics and Portugal's, where parents' job category has effect on Portugal's but not on mathematics. The previous grade affects the student's final grade. Participating more school activities can improve students' grade on Portugal's but not affect mathematics. Social emotional status such as free time, family relationship has effect on Portugal's but has no effect on mathematics. Thanks for your attention.